To install the cargo box on your Polaris XPEDITION XP or ADV, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface, ensure it is in park and remove the key. Next, loosely install the bracket and 3 screws on the side of the cargo box. Repeat on the other side. Then, remove 2 screws from the bottom of the Lock and Ride Max latching assembly. Install 1 latching assembly to each bracket and torque to specification. Check the spring alignment and orientation while installing the latching assembly. Next, lift the lever to open the latch assembly. Repeat on the other side. Then, lower the cargo box into the vehicle bed. The bottom of the latching assembly must pass through the porthole in the bed rail. Next, slide the cargo box to the desired position in the bed. Close the lever and torque to specification. The maximum load for the cargo box is 100 pounds, evenly distributed. Then, install the plugs in the bottom of the cargo box. Retorque the latching assembly screws to specification after the initial 100 miles of use. Retorque the screws at 500-mile intervals after the initial retorque. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.